Hey, what's up my peeps? What's up my peeps? I can't say top of the morning because it's evening now. So I must say top of the evening. Anyway, I do some evening fishing right back until morning, maybe until in the morning. Depending on how the water stay. I don't know how the water stay. I don't know if weed in the water and if the water rough or how it stay around Port Royal. So, you know, depending on how it stay, I'll stay till tomorrow morning. But, you know, I'm going to do some evening fishing, right? So I'm going to see what I can catch tonight or this evening. I'm going to use some live bang and some cut bang also, you know. So I hear that some big fish bite around there in the night. You know? I get a big run one night around there still. But I never bring the fish because the fish slip off of the hook. Maybe because I was using too much of a small hook, you know. But I'm going to see if I can hook up something tonight. You know, I want something tonight. I want a big fish tonight. Maybe a big cobia snapper, or a big mutton snapper, or a big grouper or something, you know, but not shark or not stingray. I don't want those. Alright, so guess what? When I reach on there, I get back to you guys, alright? So, fish on. Live bait fishing around Port Royal, you know. Yeah, man. I just set out a rod, but I see some boatman out there, so some net man. So, well, I tell you, everywhere you go, just net, me I tell you. Well, anyway, I set out a line still because I'm around here already and it's a long walk, you know, pint. Yeah, it's a long walk, man, pint. So, I'll see if we can catch something out there tonight, you know. I just set out the rod out there, so like one live bait. I can't set any more rod because net the right across the path, right? That's what I'm going to set. So I have to wait until I'm take it up, if I'm going to take it up tonight. But anyhow, anything happen, you'll see what is happening, alright? So, soup and back. Alright guys, so see we have the rod set out there now, yeah? Ready for the big fish, you know, see there? Alright, so this is the pin rod. Ready for the big boy, you know? Let's hope something big take it up now. See if we can catch something big tonight. Yeah man. This one, pen rod. Pen Fairs, 8,000. That is Kevin's rod and reel. I'll see if I can catch a big fish for Kevin, you know. Alright. And this one over here, so now. And the other one now is the pen is a Akuma Azores. So I'm gonna look on that one now and see it's still. Right. See that one here? Akuma Azores. See here? Can see it go down here, so. Azores. Alright. So set out some dead sprat on it now and we set out some dead sprat on it now and wait it on run. Alright, so we'll come back to you guys. Yeah. Alright guys, see me there now, you know. Hold on there. I fix the camera properly, you know, because I want everybody to see. Alright, see there guys. Beautiful. This is a lane snapper. See there? Oh, don't do that. Nice lane snapper, see there guys. It's about 14 or 15 inches, you know. I'm gonna measure him, alright? I'm gonna measure him and see. Just catch this one a while ago. I could even give the action to right it. Before I turn on the camera, I him that. See him there? Nice one. Take out the hook time out. Take it out. Ah. See me here guys. Beautiful lane stuff. All this in there. See me show good, Andrew?
Perfect.
Perfect. Alright, come we're gonna measure him up now. Come here. See there guys, look at that. 12, 13, 14, about 16 or 17 inches lane snapper, you see? See him pass the ruler by far, you know, so you know say I hit that fish on every time. Lane snapper, night fishing. I set up by the rod now, alright? So I'm soon come back. See we have the rod set out there again. Why I tell you I get too big on a while ago, you see man. And two of them get with the rod. I don't know who I could have hold them, so I know the last one is a snapper still. But trust me, I get some nice run in the night at the rod, cut bait, you know. So we just set out back this one. Is this one I get the run on. So see there, set him out again. Alright. So you have the little bell on top there. Alright, so indicator for that one. The other rod is over the other side, over there so to my right. So Ezo is on the right, but this one look like it wants to move again, so I'll stay right behind it. Alright. This one look like it wants to run off again. Alright guys, that's another one again. Lane snapper, see there. I'm not up my leader, not up everything, but hold on, there's another. Alright, there's another hook this, you know. Take up another hook. Right, you didn't see what happened. Take up another hook with my hook. Okay. Hold it back. Line, tie him up. Alright guys, another lane snapper, see there. Pretty lane snapper. Let me show him again, see there. Nice one, eh? Looking good. Fish on. See there guys, another one. See there? Lane snapper. Bigger than the roller. It's about 13 or 14 inches, alright? That's another one. So I can't show you the action now guys because the camera on my chest is not showing so properly in the dark here, so I have to be using the phone. You understand me? So I can't show you the action, but actually got on two lane snappers. Got a whole heap of draw down and a whole heap of cut off and a whole heap of gateway and all of them things there. So yeah, you know, I'm still at it same way. Right now I'm going to show you the rod that catching all of the fish them. I'm going to show it to you. Watch it now. So this is the rod that is catching all of the fish them. See it here? Look at it, see there? Mr. Penn Fierce, that is the captain's rod and reel. Kevin's rod and reel. That is doing all the damage tonight. Two lane snapper, two big fish getaway, one cut off, a whole heap of draw down, getaway, all kind of stuff. So see there? Kevin rod. My rod now going with nothing at all. But here one now. I put on another bait and it will run off again. So stay tuned. You still get another run. Fish on. Yes, Andrew. Man, Andrew pick up a nice fish now. Watch him man on the heel. Catch a heel and set it on, man. Pick up the fish on the heel. So yes, Andrew, work him the Andrew. But just no, it's not coming out, you know why? The whole thing is spinning out. See the whole thing, see?
It's coming, man. It's coming.
Yeah, so I want to see what kind of fish that's right now, you know, yeah. Alright, so we'll soon get back to him, alright? I'm going to check up on my rod them. Alright, my friends, the morning light out already, you know. Yeah, man, so. But it was a rough night, but I catch two snappers, two nice size snapper. And we're about to pack up and leave here now, alright? My friend over there is still fighting a fish. And I still have a rod set out right there. But I've taken him up right now to leave this place. So I'll see you in the next one, alright? Well, I headed home now, you know. Tell you boy, it was a hectic night last night, I tell you. I leave out yesterday evening, so I'm going to do some night fishing around Port Royal. And I tell you, say, boy, when I reach around Port Royal, man, as I put out the bait, so, bam, get a big run cut off. Go back again, wait a little more, put out another one again, bam. And next big run, fight him for about 1 hour. And just as about to bring up the fish out of the water, right, to fly out of my mouth, right, spit the hook, or me pull out the hook out of my mouth, but I don't know, something go wrong though. And then now I get 1 and 2 run, 1 and 2 run, 1 and 2 run, and then I just managed to catch 2 lane stopper, as you can see, you know. So it wasn't bad after all, you know. I get some big run. I wish I could land one of those big guys to see what was it, you know. But I feel it's more like groupers and big snappers, you know. Some people say turn back, but turn back don't run like that. They run fast, you know, and just slip off of the hook. So that means you know, some good fish. But anyhow, alright, I'm tired now, I go home. I cook up them 2 snappers the next day. I can't eat today. I go rest today, man. Yeah. So guys, if you like the content, you know, always remember to like, share and subscribe. And press the notification bell. Alright? Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Fish on.